I am glad that you decided to make a change in your life so that you can achieve your dreams. This site pays you $1 to $10 by answering some questions and quizzes. These questions and quizzes will not take you much time. By completing each quiz that takes 3 minutes of your time, you can receive $1 to $10 for that quiz. If you are looking for such videos and are interested in earning money online, before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Be sure to check out the online earning playlist on our channel. Are you ready? Let's go to start the video. Well, to start, open the Swagbucks website in your computer or phone browser. To register, enter your email and set a password for your account. Here, he told you some quizzes and simple tasks that you can do to get SB, and every 100 SB is equal to $1. You can get 200 SB by verifying your account. And with this simple quiz you can get 100 SB. Do these things and click on this option to go to the main page of the site. Well, there are various quizzes and tasks that you can do to get SB and money. For example, by registering for this gift card, you can receive SB or money as stated. When you click on your profile, these options will be displayed. Click on the My Rewards option to go to the page of receiving money or buying gift cards. Well, here you can buy different gift cards with the SB you have collected, or convert the SB into money and deposit them into your PayPal account. Naturally, if you can do more of these quizzes daily, you can earn more. So look at this job as an online job that you can manage your life with.